So welcome back. So we were talking about legend. Now suppose we have more than one plot in a single subplot, then we need something called as legend. Legend is nothing but a description of different curves in a single page. Suppose we have 12 months data for the previous year, and we have the temperature, humidity, wind speed, rainfall and pressure recorded for each month. Also suppose for the purpose of demonstration only, we have to plot all the 5 properties of each month in a single plot. How do we go about doing it? So import random, we are giving a seed, we are creating the random data for the x-axis. So we are going to do that for and we are going to go ahead and do it for the temperature, humidity, wind speed, rainfall and pressure. Right, now that we have the data, let us go ahead and plot this in a single plot. We will need to use plt.legend, plot.legend. plt is plot. For that to be used, you have to save each curve to a name. After that note, we have used it inside plt.legend in bracket. So what are we doing here? Look at this very carefully. What are we doing? plt.legend, I want you to focus here. This is important. plt.legend. Plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Temperature, humidity, wind speed, rainfall and pressure. So these are the legends. If you draw a graph and nobody understands that graph, what's the point of having a graph, right? So when you are a good programmer, if you have given every details about your graph. So now it is very easy with the help of the color coordination and the legends. I understand what each graph stands for. What pressure stands for, rainfall stands for, wind speed, humidity, temperature. You can use, you can not only use a line plot, there are so many types available. It is a big list. Open this link and bookmark it. So this is where you can go and you can practice. It's really a good place for you to go and practice. I don't know why it changes all the time. Alright, we will quickly see 5 more types and then we will move on to the final phase of the course. Right, notice that we don't need to change much. We'll create this subplot with 6 rows and 1 column. Now we are going on to an important bit. Normally we do this in Tableau, whoever has Tableau, but now since we are doing it in Python, I'm going to show you how to create a line graph, a scatter graph, histogram, pie chart, bar chart, heat map. Not very difficult. All you have to do is know what you want to give, and all these details that I have written here is going to be given to you. So all you have to do is understand and then slowly execute one by one. So I think by now you should know in row 6 in col 1 fixed size 5/25. So this is a line graph, this is a scatter graph which is scattered, the data points are all scattered. Then we have the histogram, we have the pie chart and we have the bar chart and the heat map. Right, so that is the end of this lecture and we move on to the last bit of the lecture. Thank you.